Do you have an error preventing the MIDI Map module DLL from loading? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've diagnosed the issue and have the verified solution to fix your system today. Avoid long manual edits for MIDI Map module by using the suggested repair utility in the description. This is the MIDI Map module, the Windows MIDI Mapper library. It manages the unmanaged orchestration of MIDI device routing and channel mapping, facilitating the audio manifest for musical hardware data links. Now that you're up to speed on the file's role, let's begin the repair process. Midimap is maintained by Windows itself. Run the system file checker by typing sfc/scan now in an elevated command prompt to detect and repair system-level file issues. If the setup package didn't provide a resolution, we need to look under the hood at how your system handles current session configurations. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including MIDI Map module, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. With the reboot complete, check your status. If you're still seeing that error, here is the next phase of the fix. Remember, you can pause the video at any time. If those core system files are still missing after the restart, we'll use DISM to pull fresh copies from the cloud. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /online /cleanup image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this triggers a deep cloud sync to replace corrupted local system manifests with verified master files directly from Microsoft servers. A brief word of caution: not all solutions found online adhere to professional security standards. Installing an unverified version of MIDI Map module DLL is a common security pitfall that can inadvertently bypass your system's built-in execution safeguards and firewall. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. For users interested in automation concepts, the Maintenance and Repair Kit linked below provides background information on managing MIDI Map module. To support our technical team and receive updates on MIDI Map module resolutions, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.